आज दिनांक 19 मई 2026। समय हो रहे हैं 8:45। दिन है मंगलवार।
U is for umbrella. Touch letter C. C is for cake. Touch letter P. P is for pencil. Let's have some fun. Jump, jump, jump. Jump, jump, jump. Touch letter R. R is for rabbit. Touch letter V. V is for violin.